Today I've got these two pair of Milwaukee Demolition gloves. As you can see, the pair on the right is more or less brand new. The pair on the left I've been using for a couple months out in the garage. These things are supposed to be machine washable. So today we're going to find out just how true that claim is. As far as the construction, they've held up pretty well so far. Now, keep in mind, I don't use these for construction. I do mostly automotive work as a hobbyist. So on the one hand, they're not seeing the same type of abuse, but they're still seeing abuse because they're getting all kinds of like grease and fluids soaked into them as I work on various old car projects. So we're going to throw these in the wash and see how they come out with this more or less new pair to compare to. Let's see how they stand up. So all my dirty pairs in the wash, let's do a quick review on these things. They are very comfortable. They seem to hold up really well, as you saw with the dirty ones. Those things have seen quite a bit of abuse. They're not really weatherproof, you know. If you do pick up something that's really wet, it's going to soak through just a bit. It's hard to explain. Like, your hands don't get wet, but you notice it. You really feel it. Anything that I had to do that was really dirty, like I helped a friend take apart a really nasty, greasy, big block Chevy, I used disposable rubber gloves for that. But for stuff like moving around tires, transmissions, rear axles, stuff like that, these are really great for that. You're just not going to get a lot of real precision work done because the fingers are very thick. But considering that these were never meant to be used for automotive purposes, at least as far as I can tell, they do pretty well. So it's good to keep these around if you're like me and you like to keep your hands clean while you do dirty work, and yet you don't want to burn through a ton of rubber gloves. So really liking these so far, and I'm really excited to see how they hold up to being washed. Alright, so I let the gloves dry overnight after throwing them in the washing machine. You can barely tell the difference between the two of them. These are the pair that I washed. No real damage or wear to speak of. Pretty impressed with these, honestly. One thing I will say is that the tag on the inside does not have your washing instructions. It just tells you what the gloves are made out of and sizing info. It was probably on the cardboard hang tag that I threw away months ago, but thankfully, you know, if you Google Milwaukee Demolition gloves, machine washable, it gives you all the pertinent info. So wash it, you know, in medium, warm water, 105 degrees or less, I think it said, and then let them air dry. Yeah, and these came out great, honestly. Really impressed. The fit is the same. Fit hasn't changed. They haven't shrunken or anything after washing them. They don't feel weird. I actually had to be really careful to not mix these up so that I could tell the difference between the two pairs. So yeah, really impressed with these. Very happy with them. I think they're 25 bucks-ish. I got these on a 2-for-1 deal, which is why I have two pairs. Yeah, I can't say enough good stuff about these gloves. Like I said, not great for precision work, but really good for yard work, moving around heavy stuff, you know, changing wheels and tires, all that kind of stuff. You know, for everything else, there's disposable latex gloves. But I really like these. I hope you like this review. I hope it helped you out. Please be sure to leave a comment if you have any feedback, and give me a like and subscribe to the channel, because I'll be doing a lot more in-depth tool reviews, you know, in the coming months. So thanks again.